A British security company says 5 of its workers were among at least 10 people killed Wednesday in an attack in Kabul, Afghanistan. The Taliban claimed responsibility for the attack. Ukraine's president is asking NATO allies to send naval ships to the Sea of Azov to provide security because of tensions with Russia. Thousands of farmers from across India gather in New Delhi to demand a complete suspension of debt payments and guarantees on crop prices. And German police raid several Deutsche Bank offices in the Frankfurt area as part of an investigation of illegal financial activities.